This is a cleaning guide for melamine panels from Expand Furniture. In this example, we use permanent marker, pen, and a bonus of ketchup. They all sat for 3 days, except for the ketchup, which is just a quick little bonus at the end. For most of these types of stains, a simple cloth with water will suffice. In this example, it removed the marker, the ketchup, and some of the pen. If you need a little bit more help, add some soap to the water and microfiber, and give it a bit of a rub, and it should come out. Soap and water, however, will not be able to remove deep stains like permanent marker. It may fade in a little bit, but it does not seem to be enough to get rid of the whole thing. Even with stronger solutions like a household cleaner, it does not seem to be able to remove the permanent ink. So if you have a deep stain, a solution can be rubbing alcohol. Put a couple dabs into your microfiber cloth and rub in a circular motion, and it should remove the deep stain, like in this example, of permanent marker. So the conclusion from this test here is that generally water and microfiber cloth will suffice to remove most stains or most debris. If you need a little bit of help, add some soap, and if it's a very deep stain that's sat for a long time, rubbing alcohol is okay if needed.